Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Musta's Garage Work. So I just came across this video where this guy is removing tires from his wheels and replacing it on another set of wheels. But I'm not going to be doing that today. All I need to do is remove the tires from the wheels in order for me to respray the wheels. Let me show you what I'm on about. So I have to respray these 4 wheels over here. So what he does is he uses a wooden beam, but I don't have a wooden beam. I'm going to be using the ramp over there. And the tools that he uses were a flathead screwdriver, but I'm going to use these levers over here, and add soap water, a hammer just in case, and a valve key to remove the stem. So yeah, let me remove that real quick. I actually pried it out a bit earlier on. So yeah, here it just removes the core from it. Come on. So yeah, there, when you have it out, then you have to use like soapy water. Grab your soap water there and then like just squirt it all around. Alright, I got it all soaped up, and then now I'm not gonna take the ramp, use the E30 as the weight is gonna air out the tire. So yeah, I'm gonna get set up real quick and then you guys will see that. So this don't look like it's going to work. My plan is not going to work because the car is lowered. I want to use the ramp. So what he does is he uses a plank that rests on the tire, and then the weight of the car actually like air down the tire, then it breaks the bead. But now the ramp is too thick, so I need to find a plank or something, or maybe I must first ride up a plank. I'm gonna figure that out real quick and I'll get back to you. Yeah guys, the ramp method didn't work, so I went ahead and just used a steel wing over here, so steel tubing, and I notched that part over there so that I can get that step up to drive up there. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick and hopefully this works. Yeah, so yeah, you guys can see it actually work. You can see the bead, bro. So yeah, now I just have to get it off, and then I'm gonna flip it around and do the other side as well. So as you guys can see, the method actually worked, but I had to knock it with a hammer because it was like still stuck on there. But as you guys can see, the bead is off from the wheel. So now I have to flip the wheel around and do the other side also. I'm gonna do that real quick. So once I got the part of the lip over the rim, and then I used the hammer and just bashed it out all around, and that's how I managed to get it off. So as you guys can see, I flipped the wheel around and it's actually apart right now. So now you just have to get that section removed there to get it off the rim. Took quite a bit of prying, but I managed to get it off. Guys, so they are finally got it out. It was a mission and a half. I don't recommend doing this with low profile tires. It's only the one and I still have to do the other four, but I think the other three, sorry. I think I'm rather gonna take it to a shop and get it removed. But it's gonna be now much easier to work with, so now I can use paint stripper and it's gonna make the job much easier because this thing is like layers upon layers of paint. I want it all off so that I can have a better foundation to work with. So this is these are TSR racing wheels, but I see there's like a logo here, TSWs. But anyways guys, I hope you guys found it informative. I'll leave a link in the description to that guy's channel so you can check out, because he does it like seamlessly. But yeah, that was a mission for me. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one guys. See you guys in the next one.